Hello guys, it's Charlie. Welcome back. This is level 2 of the Complete Beginners Online course. We're nearly at the stage where we're going to do some guitar playing, but I just felt it was worthwhile going through just how to read chord diagrams. So chords are going to form, a big part of the stuff that we're going to do. So it's worth, as a beginner, really you need to understand what a chord diagram is before I start throwing chord diagrams at you. You'll see them in books, you'll see them online. It can cause a little bit of confusion just about how they're written. So traditionally, pretty much all chord diagrams are written as if you are looking at the guitar. Hope you're ready for this. Like this. So it's kind of like that. So you'll see a load of lines going down, a load going across. Your frets are going across. Your strings are going down. So a D chord, which should be on your screen, will look something like that. Okay, I will explain that for you. So that's the kind of what's going on with the chord diagram. So for the D chord, for example, that you can hopefully see, you're going to have your first finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string. That should tally up with what's written. You're going to have your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string, and then you're going to have your middle finger or your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 1st string, and that will give you that shape. But you'll be seeing it kind of vertically, if you like. All right, so that will give you the D chord. Now, a few things to mention. The crosses at the top. The cross means that you don't play the string with the right hand. So in this instance, on the D chord, we're not playing the 6th or the 5th, but the 0 on the 4th string will mean that you play it just open as part of the chord. So that is an open string as part of the chord, as opposed to a cross where you don't play it at all. So in this instance, we should have a little triangle shape for D major, and we play 4 strings, downwards, like that, okay? And that's it, okay? You will also see the frets going down the side, so you know what fret you're on. Sometimes if you're playing chords further up the neck, you'll be able to see, it starts at 5th rather than writing the whole fretboard. So yeah, just be aware of that. The frets down the side. I think that's it. That's all it is for your chord diagrams. The only other thing is the fingering. Okay, so you should see a 1 by this dot. So your first finger on the 3rd string. So you use your first finger. You'll see a 3 by your 3rd finger. The 3rd fret 2nd string, because that's your 3rd finger, and you'll see a 2 by your top string 2nd fret, because that's where you should use your middle finger, 2nd finger. All right, so those numbers just correspond to where you should, which fingers you should be using. Always try and adhere to that, because it is important that you use the right fingers when playing the chord. I think that's it really. Okay, so hopefully we'll get cracking with some chords to start with, but it is just worth knowing about your chord diagrams and just making sets of them. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.